1. What is the legal blood alcohol concentration (BAC) limit for adult drivers in most states? A. 0.08%, B. 0.05%, C. 0.02%. Answer: A. 0.08%. 2. What should you do when approaching a yellow traffic light? Answer: slow down and prepare to stop, unless it is unsafe to do so. 3. What does a solid white line on the road mean? Answer: it indicates that changing lanes or crossing over is discouraged. 4. True or false? Using your cell phone while driving is dangerous and illegal in most places. Five. What actions should you take if you experience a tire blowout while driving? Answer: maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel, ease off the accelerator pedal, and gradually apply the brakes. 6. When should you use your turn signals? Answer: you should signal at least 100 feet before turning or changing lanes. 7. What is aggressive driving? Answer: aggressive driving refers to erratic behavior such as speeding, tailgating, or running red lights, putting other drivers at risk. 8. True or false? Seatbelts significantly reduce the risk of injury and death in car accidents. Nine. What are blind spots while driving? Answer: these are areas around your vehicle that cannot be seen using your mirrors alone. 10. How can you minimize blind spots while driving? Answer: regularly check your mirrors and shoulder check before changing lanes or making turns. 11. When should headlights be used? Answer: headlights should be used when visibility is reduced, such as at dawn, dusk, or in heavy rain, or when you have difficulty seeing ahead. 12. True or false? It is illegal to pass another vehicle within 100 feet of an intersection or railroad crossing. (13) What is the recommended following distance between vehicles? A. 1 second, B. 3 seconds, C. 5 seconds. Answer: B. 3 seconds. 14. When should you yield the right-of-way to pedestrians? Answer: always yield to pedestrians who are legally crossing the road, even if they are not using a marked crosswalk. 15. What does it mean if a school bus has its red lights flashing and stop sign extended? Answer: you must come to a complete stop until the lights stop flashing and the stop sign is retracted. 16. What should you do if your vehicle starts to skid on slippery roads? Answer: take your foot off the accelerator, steer into the direction of the skid, and avoid overcorrecting. 17. True or false? It is legal to drive through an intersection when the traffic light turns yellow. Answer: true, as long as it is safe to do so and you can clear the intersection before the light turns red. 18. What role does defensive driving play in staying safe on the road? Answer: defensive driving involves being aware of potential hazards, anticipating other drivers' actions, and taking proactive measures to avoid accidents. 19. How can fatigue affect your ability to drive safely? Answer: fatigue can impair reaction time, judgment, and attention span, leading to decreased driving performance and an increased risk of accidents. 20. What should you do if you witness a car accident? Answer: safely pull over and call emergency services. Provide assistance if necessary while avoiding further danger.